Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a very healthy breakfast recipe made from sweet potato, or in Marathi it is called ratau, or in Hindi it is called shakkar kandi. This can be made either in the morning or in the afternoon breakfast. Let us see the ingredients required for this recipe. As I said, sweet potato. I have taken half kg of sweet potato and I have grated them into the water. Otherwise, if you are not putting it in the water, they will turn black. Then some cumin seeds, salt according to taste. Then this is 1 katori of roasted peanut powder. Then here I have taken half lime, some fresh coriander chopped, and 3-4 green chilies. Now before I begin to make this recipe, I will have to remove this sweet potato from the water. So see, I have removed this sweet potato from water. Now let us begin to make this breakfast recipe. Now into this wok I'll be putting 1 tablespoon pure ghee. These spoons I've taken 4 to make it 1 tablespoon. Now let the butter melt. Let this ghee melt, and then I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. This recipe is very good for all those who are on a diet, because this recipe has got lot of fiber, and it also controls your blood sugar. So this is very good recipe for the people who are suffering from diabetes also. Okay, so now my ghee has melted and it's become hot. Into this I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Now let it crackle little bit, and I will, at this point, I will put the flame to the lower medium size, and into that I'm going to add green chilies. Let them cook. Let us cook for say 1 minute. See, now the green chilies have started changing the color. Okay, now at this point I'll be adding this grated sweet potato. And I will mix it thoroughly well. Mix it. Now I will put a lid onto it and I will allow it to cook 50% for another 5 to 7 minutes. At the beginning I have taken 1 tablespoon of pure ghee. In place of pure ghee, you can also make this dish into normal oil. Okay, now after the ghee became hot, I have added 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, then 4 green chilies chopped. It all depends on how spicy you want. You can increase or decrease the green chilies. After they have been cooked properly, I have added the grated shakkar kandi keys. Okay, and after and then I have lowered the flame and I have cooked it for 8 minutes. See, this is the stage where at this stage I can add 1 katori of roasted peanut powder. Then I'm going to add salt according to taste. So I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of salt. Plus I'll be adding little freshly chopped green coriander, and plus I'll be squeezing the juice of half lime. And now I will mix it thoroughly well, and I will again keep a lid on it and allow it to cook for another 5 to 7 minutes, and my recipe is done. Now after adding the roasted peanut powder, fresh coriander, salt according to taste, and a juice of half lime, see, it looks like this. Precaution, please cook this recipe on a very low flame. Okay, now see, this is now to finish this I'm going to add this remaining fresh coriander, and I'm just going to mix it, and it's time for me to serve it. I'll put the gas flame off and I'm going to serve it. I'm going to serve this dish along with curd. If you like my recipe, kindly share this recipe with your friends, subscribe my channel, write your comments in the comments box, and do click on a bell icon so that next time whenever I put any new recipe, you will get the indication. Thank you.